I think this is the tightest range I've ever seen from a whole overnight session.
Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom, but.
Good morning, Raven. Good morning, Flag Poppy. Lost my 2 games last night. Damn. Bro, sports betting has been tough for me this year. National for plus money. Do you watch the games or do you literally just bet? Just for, like, do you know baseball or you just bet to bet? This is literally the tightest range I've ever seen in a whole overnight session. And I don't even think I'm exaggerating. From top to bottom is 72. So what is that? 28. What is that, like 54? I know baseball didn't watch that. I got you. A 54-point range the entire overnight. Does that mean we continue to chop, or does that mean we're now gonna have a big move? Or we actually have a lot of news today too. So now we manipulate. Well, as in after the manipulation, the distribution or whatever. So do we just like, I don't know, jump down, trap, and then go higher or something? Chopped. Does that mean you don't trade, AJ? Are you done? You already locked yourself out? I don't want to give up hope. Oop, I was gonna say that's a crazy candle, but on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm not trading this shit. You gotta at least give it a chance, right? Maybe it'll get better after news. 9:45 PMI, 9:45 flash service PMI, 9:50 Trump speaks, 10 o'clock Richmond Manufacturing Index. Oh, Powell speaks later, 12:35. President Trump speaks again at 7:20. Jesus Christ, we are bombarded by news today. Alright, that was uncalled for. AJ's a fucking loser. That's not my fault. I didn't realize all he does is play Fortnite every day. I haven't played Fortnite. I played Fortnite on like computer. I mean, not on computer. On Xbox One in like 2019. It's like the last time I played Fortnite. I don't touch that game. That is hard to believe for what I've seen. None of that shit was even possible the last time I played Fortnite. Federico, gotta wait for news at 9:45. I think you might want to wait all the way till 10, Federico. We got well, Trump's at 9:50, so, and then 10 o'clock is orange folder as well, so you might want to sit it out for a bit, depending on how long you're gonna hold for.
Oh, we're dumping.
I don't know if that counts as dumping, but
It's a big red Kindle, so we're dumping. I took out Goblin Barrel. Not Goblin Barrel, Goblin Gang. And I put guards in. I think I like it more.
guards are good.
Just because they can't get one-shotted by like a spell. I think that's just makes them so much more valuable.
Honestly, that was a decent bear flag there, but you're chopping. I'm trying to button tick on my practice account. Oh, bottom tick. I'm putting 2 minis. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing, honestly.
I wouldn't mind a pullback. And like,
Yeah, let's
get
get
in,
a
like,
let's have a fucking market crash. How about that?
yeah, because we straight grinded up all day yesterday, and we're at all-time highs, and I hate trading all-time highs. The ES and the Nasdaq are completely different. Nasdaq's dumping. ES is about to make a new high.
Oh, yeah. You bottom ticked? What a loser. I mean, that's not surprising. We sweep underneath this low, all these lows, and we just chop right back into the range right after. Yes. Break into the upside. feel like market conditions are just terrible as of late. I feel like we haven't been breaking out. We've been, or like, I don't even know, because we've been making new all-time highs, but I feel like the breakouts have been so bad. You're so nervous. Why? Johnny, we got news at 9:45, 9:50, 10 o'clock, and 12:30.
Cool.
Like normally I'd be waiting for a low to get put in and then like a trap back above. Just gonna run through it now. AJ, how goes your testosterone? AJ hopped in the sauce. He's not a steroid guy. So, well, it seems to be doing well.
Just thinking about getting in and at that low. When you broke that low again, at like 70. I just think we just like, there's nothing really to go for.
Like 8 points. Hey, 8 points every day is 40 points a week. 40 points a week on one contract is what, $800? $800 times 10 accounts is $8,000. That's all you need. If I could get 8 points every day, I would be the happiest man alive. I passed a set of accounts with Alpha Futures, and they banned me because in my KYC for a split second you could see another person next to me, which is against their rules. Obviously won't even refund. What do you mean they could see another person next to you in the KYC?
Like in your verification, so they just banned you.
What does that mean in their verification?
Like the ID that you sent them, the picture of yourself. You probably took a selfie with someone else in the background and then they banned him because they didn't know which one it was. Right?
You sent a
It's a video.
video? It's doing good. A lot of acne right now, but trying to fix that. I've had 3 plates though. I hate you, AJ. Oh Lord. That's a video. Use race when I get the KYC
Like,
is a video. I feel like I
why wouldn't they just have you re-verify? Just be like, oh, we can't accept this. Just send another video of just yourself.
because it's prop firms, and at the end of the day, they just want your money. But that is kind of crazy. And why did they wait until you trade? Like, how do they even let you trade first? That's what I don't understand. Do you only have to do the
Too much of a
KYC after
risk.
you pass the accounts? I don't even know.
You're too much of a risk? What do you have, a freaking bomb vest on
Yeah.
that like
Just suicide bomber, just shot to his chest. Lost 3 weeks and $300. Oh, that is terrible. And now you just can't trade with them? So only after you pass, then you have to do the KYC. You can't dispute it or anything. You're like, I'm sure you tried, but that's terrible. Have you gotten payouts before, Federico, or no? Tried, but they stopped answering. Damn, that's tough. It's $300. Excuse me. Is $300 like a lot of money for you, or no?
I mean, no matter what, I feel like losing $300 because of that. And it's just more with, like the time of your accounts, and you've passed them, you're probably excited.
Yeah, that is the worst part. You lie, no news, Raven. We have fuck tons of news. That's like, I don't know why we didn't do anything, but we have fuck tons of news. 9:45. Two red folder things at 9:45. I don't know why I didn't do anything. Is this the manipulation? Do we accumulate, and now this is the manipulation leg down, and then we're gonna what is it? Displace towards all-time highs. I got one payout before, but with FTMO when I traded Forex and was inconsistent. This is my first past accounts with futures. What's going on, Tupac? I'm doing good. How about yourself? Besides the fact that market conditions are terrible, but you know. How many accounts did you trade with futures before you passed those? It's just blown to 100Ks. No. Funded or evals, Tupac? You just ignored Federico? I just read his thing. I just asked him a question. I just asked him if this was his, like, it did, has he, wait, what did I forget what I asked him, retarded. Not a lot, like, blown two and then passed. Okay, that's not terrible. Do you have, are you looking like you're probably not looking to scale if you've only gotten one payout? I don't know. If I were you, I would do my funded futures. If you don't trust your strategy yet, I would do Apex and just trade in the evaluation.
I think my funded futures just came out with a deal. I think it's buy one, get another one like 25% off or something.
Which would make it how much?
If you bought two accounts, I think it would be total like $130, I think.
Yeah, so you could do that. So what is that, like $65 an account? I do trust my strategy to be. Yeah, I'd do my funded futures then, and then just go slow in the eval because there's no activation. That's probably it's either that or what funding ticks. I don't know. I don't know as much about funding ticks, but I know
I
that
literally
cheap
think
right
my
now.
funded futures is the best.
My funded
You,
futures usually is the best, and it's the easiest to get paid out too.
if I, the only downside of my funded futures is literally they have, well, now they have a 80-20 split, which is kind of gay, but that and you can only have 5 accounts.
I mean, that's about.
I know.
No,
I wish I
it's
could
pretty
trade fucking.
normal. It's just
If I
like
could trade
Apex
20
is
of them,
normal.
it would just be like that would be the pro for mine. Just pretty much.
God, I was thinking Top Step, but I don't know. A Top Step. I don't know why anybody uses Top Step when there's my funded futures, honestly. Unless you wanted 5 more accounts, but like for someone who's not trying to scale and just diversify prop firms, if you want a payout, the easiest place to get a payout is my funded futures, and it's the cheapest.
Upstep seems so expensive. Also, I may get in short off this flag.
Yeah, I don't know. ES just looks so different, but Nvidia looks not terrible.
We got a good pivot point.
Trump starts speaking in 1 minute, by the way.
Hopefully this slide doesn't break out. I'm ignoring news. I don't care. Maybe it's bad, but too many times. I don't take a trade that works out
Yeah.
in my favor because of news.
Yeah, I mean, this is just like the perfect flag, which makes me not want to take it.
Does that make sense?
It's like so grindy that it's just like, well, what? When it looks too obvious, it probably is. Yeah, Top Step's
Didn't
like
Trump
what, like
already?
$150, or I think it's like $200 altogether. And you'd have to make more money than My Fun Futures to take out. Like My Fun Futures, you can turn and burn, which is good. I'm assuming you got in.
I just bought in.
I just don't like it. I'm gonna wait. I took that bar for bar. Okay, just need $2,200 more to pass my account. What did you end up doing, Raven? Yesterday, Raven. Like we saw this with fun. She got dead many times. We regret to inform you that your challenge account has breached the maximum allowed drawdown of $1,000. Account status deactivated. Reason end of day drawdown limit breached. $1,000? Didn't you say you had a 100K account, Tupac?
Probably it's daily drawdown. Probably daily drawdown.
Oh, like a daily loss limit?
Yeah.
Uh, how are the rules for a payout with My Fun Future? My Fun Future, it's like this. I think what Top Step is now. It was $200 days, but now it's 150. Is My Fun Future also $150 days?
I think it's 100.
It's either 100 or $150 days, Federico. And is there a consistency rule now? I don't remember.
No. Only on evals.
Okay, no consistency rule, which is so that's the same as Top Step. It's $150 or $100 for like 5 green days, but it's not a
Oh,
thing where you can only take out like half of your account. You can just take out more money. Like you don't have to build as much to take it out. Obviously, you're closer to blowing it, but in the beginning, when you're just trying to get payouts and like store up some capital so you can like get more accounts, I think it's the best way to do it. Like that's what I would do. Back in the old accounts, you could only have 3, and you could take out $1,200. So I'd pass the eval in 1 day. You can't do that anymore, but because now it takes like 2 or 3 days to pass. But
which I kind of like.
you could pass the eval in 1 day, and then in a week, if you had 5 green days, and you only made $1,200, you could take out all $1,200,
Yeah.
just blow the accounts,
Okay.
and you could have 3 accounts. So it's like in like 2 weeks time, you would get like $3,600 in payouts, or you could. Uh, no eval.
This isn't looking good.
Sponsored on that.
It's not looking good.
I don't know what you were talking about. Look at the hourly and scene where you're shorting it. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I guess, but is that crazy? It's just a big red candle. Oh, I like to short big red candles.
Oh.
Why don't you dump it? Joel, don't trade this. It's so trashy. Yes, it's so different. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Stop. Stop. I get the core one, but depends on what payouts you're kind of looking for.
Well, if I had to guess, if you only have one payout, you're going for the most beginner accounts. And what is that, the core?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would probably say the core.
Core's the easiest to get payouts in. All you gotta have is 5 green days, and all you have to do is be up $1,000 in your account, and you can get a fucking $1,000 payout.
Yeah. Ooh, I wanted to short that at the
Oh,
53s.
what a good dump! Come on, keep dumping.
What's your target?
I have a pivot point at the 24,
It's pivot point at the 26. It's like the regular one, so close
but
enough.
I may get out at the like there was like a little high at 20, like
Yeah,
25,
30.
26. I'm probably just gonna try to call it like around there, like 20. I may even take a little bit more.
Oh, why do I listen to the chat? Why do I listen to AJ? Look where you are.
Why are you getting short there?
Yeah,
Look at the hourly.
the
Because the
hourly.
hourly matters.
Yeah. Son of a bitch. I watch the hourly fucking print lower. Fuck you, AJ.
Dude, I look at
Fucking
the freaking market for
ICT.
2 hours. Why do I care about the hourly?
Yeah, that is true. I'm waiting for it to reverse. I said to sell,
Okay,
nobody listened.
okay, don't.
Raven, Joel, don't trade this. It's so trash. ES is so different. I have the receipts, Raven. The receipts. You
Okay,
liar.
maybe I celebrated too early.
Oh my god, it gets swept. What a fool. See, that's the one where you just go for fucking 10 points. I'm telling you.
Nope, here we go. We're dumping. Look at that. It reversed
No,
that candle.
even though we are going lower right now, I don't trust it to not fucking reverse. I kind of am with AJ on it. That's why I'm kind of really staying out of it, because I'm a bitch. I don't know. If this comes back up to that wick after, I would just get out. I don't know where your entry is, but
Entry's at 50.
I would be fucking break even at this point.
Made it a little bit above that wick. I'll lose 5 points on it.
No, someone else don't like you. Oh yeah, I see.
Stop it! Oh my god, wants to go. Come on.
I don't need the money, to be honest. I'm just trying to prove myself. I can't. I can't get payouts. Um. I would probably still say my Fed Futures and Federico, honestly. Because, yeah, those core accounts, they're cheap. You can get payouts. I mean, if you. Not. They're the easiest to get payouts in, but. I don't know. I think that's your best chance of getting some.
Dude, there's so much freaking resistance at this
We're at a 30-minute
this,
fair value gap, whatever that means.
this freaking level.
Meaning it has a support. Oh, so be careful. I'm close to TP. Come on, Joel.
Well, that means if we break through it, we're gonna flash dump.
Is this the first day in your funded accounts? Oh, Jesus. Joel?
Stop!
Make sure you. Did you take your profits or no?
I took $200 of profit. I didn't like that. It pushed. I made my or 220 bucks. I made my stop loss at the bottom of the previous low just because I didn't want it to pull back. Where did I enter? I entered kind of late, I'm not gonna lie. Well, not really, but
How close were you to being stopped out? Like a fucking point?
well, I entered at 50, so my natural stop loss is at 80.
You didn't bring it down at all?
I brought it um after we made that previous high, I made it like I made it at 75, a little bit above that previous high. And then we just came up double touch. So I was like 4 points away from getting stopped.
Well, I had the right idea to wait, and then I wanted to get in, but
I'm surprised you didn't get in after it double topped where I almost got stopped out.
I don't know. I mean, literally at that point, ES had made a new high.
Which I could have still been in this right now, and it's gonna probably come down and hit my take profit if it hits 26, but I don't care. Just add another green day to the book. I have potential of a payout this week.
Wow, what payout? How many payouts do you need before I can leave my fucking mom's house? That's all I care about.
10.
Oh my god. Bro, I thought I was doing the practice account. Turned out I was copy trading my eval alpha accounts. They down 1.6. Oh god.
If I win,
That's
if I have a
terrible.
green day for the rest of the week, I can take out for my funded futures.
And it's Tuesday, so that's not gonna happen.
Well, I need three more. I need three more green days.
How old are you
It could
guys?
happen.
Too old to be living at my mom's house, which is now Johnny's fault, so I can put all the blame on him because I'm ready to move. I'm waiting on his bitch
Well,
ass to actually, make more than fucking $7,000 this year. I'm 25. Yeah, you never getting out of your mom's house with Johnny.
wow.
Oh my god, dude. It's like a relief because before I was like, oh my god, I gotta make I wanted to make at least like the year's rent. And then like I had that good month and now I've made like a decent amount of money on the year. And it just takes all the stress off. Now I'm just like, well, I could move out. And that's not as good as moving out, but at least makes me feel good. That it's just all Johnny's fault.
It's just I just need the one good month.
25 ain't bad. I don't know. We're fucking boomers. In day
I'm not
trading
even
years,
that
we're
old.
boomers. I'm still living at home with my mommy. It's embarrassing.
So does 90% of our friends.
Yeah, but they're losers.
Like literally the first one to move it was Jordan. That's what I was thinking about when I went to her house. I'm like, wow, she's the first one.
Like, actually, like, not being at college, you mean? Like, the first
Yeah,
one to be
that's.
like,
I
well,
feel like that's worse.
for you guys.
I forget what we. I think it was. Oh, we were talking about it when like, RJ, Jalen, and Sydney and me were in the car driving up to camping, because everyone's like, "Oh yeah, moving out and then coming back home sounds like it sucks." And then I'm just like, "You guys all did it. You guys went to college, lived there for 4 years with your friends, which is even better because you didn't have to pay for rent
Mm.
because your parents paid for it. And then you're at school just like hanging out, and they're like, "Well, that doesn't count. That's not the same." I'm like, "You moved out for 4 years, and then you moved back home."
Yeah. The thing is, I could have been moved out at like 17. I just didn't. If I was like, if I really wanted to be like, oh, I could go get an apartment, and then I mean, I was looking at houses at like 19 or whatever, but then just never left.
I mean, I could have moved out if I still was doing electrical.
That's what I'm saying. I could have moved out the fucking first week I did electrical. Um,
But
how did he not get paid when you did? Because he copy traded you, right? Clearly, he
no,
can't even copy trade. That's the problem. If he can't even copy my trades, there's no way he's gonna make his own proper decisions to get a payout. You know.
one I don't copy trade. If anything, I get in before he does. I'm more like aggressive than he is.
You're like more aggressive than me, but you're more likely to cut your winners.
I guess. Yeah.
Um, I turned 18 a
Sometimes it
month
works
ago
out.
and feeling
Sometimes
old. Yeah, I mean, you're always gonna feel old, but in the grand scheme of things, you're not. Like
you
whenever you
start
get
feeling
older.
old when you watch sports now, and then
Yeah,
you're like,
that
this
was
new
like
All
my
Star is 18, and I'm like,
yeah.
I'm fucking.
That
uh,
is the biggest indicator when you're sitting there. You're like, wow, like you're watching people on TV, or like I just remember watching like Juan Soto. I think he's like a year younger than me or something. I think I was like 19 and he's like 18, or I'm 18 and he was 19 or something. And I just remember he hit like a fucking grand slam in the World Series, and I'm like, dude, what am I doing? Why am I so old? This guy's fucking hitting dingos in the World Series, and he's younger than me or something like that. Like,
well, where do you live, AJ? And
let's see who
also, where
move
you try?
out first, me or you
The problem
guys.
is, I'm trying to move out and go into a $6,000 apartment a month. Like,
Yeah, but right now
so
you
it's a
couldn't go
little.
into a fucking $1,000 a month apartment.
Yeah, I could.
Have you made $12,000 this year?
I made 12,000.
Have you?
Yeah,
Have you
I made like
made?
15.
Yeah, so maybe
Yeah, I know, but that's
because
like,
tax. You gotta pay taxes on that. So call it you have 12. Then there's insurance, and
yeah,
there.
whatever.
Yeah, so
That's like people are like, oh, I moved out and it's like $1,000. I think Jordan's paying like $1,200. It's like, if you think about it, that's one my funded futures payout.
yeah, no, to live in, but the problem is I just want to be semi bougie.
Yeah,
Honestly,
that's the difference.
where are we?
If it was a race to move out, I could move out. This is where we could this is where we could reject to go higher.
I agree.
ES is still just directly in the middle of their range. They don't want to go lower really. That's right off the pivot point.
AJ, when are you trying to move out by? I know you were going to. Didn't your parents tell you not to move out or something? They won't tell you to not take testosterone, but they'll tell you not to
Like
move
the
out.
IRL streamer.
Was it, Neon? Who is that?
You know, Neon. Like that really annoying freaking scrawny IRL streamer.
Um, I feel like that's every IRL streamer. AJ, is this a good inverse or no? I feel like we are going to reverse. I feel like that would be a decent inverse. You told me to not move out, and they don't know about my test. And nice.
I'm gonna call your mom and tell her.
Wow, what a fucking snitch.
Be like, you don't know me, but your son's on steroids. Just hang up.
Your son's petting his ass cheek in his room every day. baggy shit all the time now. Why? Because you're huge? Did you just like get massive, or like to hide your fucking all your pin needles or your needle pins or whatever they call them? Where do you even pin testosterone?
In your butt cheek.
Is it?
Pretty sure.
Sounds kind of gay. Seems like a like what is the point? That's what I don't know. The whole point of going to the gym is to be healthy.
Because they want to look big.
It's crazy. I do shoulders. Yes, we're ripping up to the highs. Nvidia starting to try to push up, maybe get above the VWAP. I can definitely
Supposedly
see
Trump's
us
speaking.
pushing through here. Yeah, Trump's been speaking since like 9:50 or something. I actually really like this short. This is like textbook bear flag, come up, set the low, take out the high. I just feel like we're going to reverse.
Would you get in long and instantly blow your accounts off that dump?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Tried the short. See what happens. Not looking good, not looking good, not looking good. Triple top, please, triple top. Nvidia's ripping up, fuck me. Triple top, please, triple top, please, triple top, please, triple top. Go lower. Push it down, push it down. long as it's failed, my alpha gonna get blown. I'm done for the day. Well, as soon as I type that, made 600 on the funded. Federico short. Rezzy's short. Raven hates this market. AJ's long got edged. I'm gonna lose. Alrighty. Quadruple top. Quadruple top. Quadruple top. Fuck me, man.
Just start yelling at the market. ES keeps coming all the way down and tapping off the EMA.
Yeah, no, I wanted to rip lower, but Nvidia's driving it up, I think.
Was it video pumping?
It's trying to get back above the VWAP right now. It's not pump. I mean, it's at like, it's a low on the day, but it's starting to pump. ES dropping. We're so back, baby. We're so back. I can't wait for this thing to fucking doji. Don't do it. Don't bounce off that VWAP. Run right through that VWAP. ES, please. Nope. We're gonna not get to my entry, so it doesn't want me to go break even, because obviously I can't see $30 in red. So I have to hold it and then lose a full fucking $400, right? And we chop and we chop and we chop. Oh my god, yeah. Let me get stopped here. This shit edging both of us. She giving you hope. You got into a chop, Mike. I mean, it wasn't a chop when I got in. It was a Barrett flag, and then we've chopped.
I love when people say that. You got it in chop, it's like, okay, I got it in fucking 15 minutes ago and it just chopped ever since.
Well, not fit, like even 5. I mean, it's just a regular push up and a push down. It's just what we always do, but we're just not doing what we always do. Yeah, we're cooked.
Pat's thinking we go up to the 980s.
Nvidia getting through the EMA right now, or the VWAP right now. ES trying to bounce off the VWAP. She's just fucking close.
I don't know, this thing's fucking straight chopping.
Stop filled.
I'm taking a smaller loss. Short. What did I short from the 44s? Go to the 57, 50s.
Well, you may have saved yourself. How many points is that? 5 points, 4 points.
Like, I mean, my stop was like a little above the high, so like 5 or 6 points.
Where's it gonna cost you?
Yeah.
I think this pushes through now. It's gotta. That's a crazy candle.
My My whole thought process is like, well, we can chop up forever. Like, I mean, I'm like, oh, well, we're low, so we must go higher. But I'm like, well, I feel like for the past ever, we just go higher and higher and higher and higher. So there's no reason we can't go lower and lower and lower and lower.
Holy. Does not want to break through the 6. This is just crazy to watch. Oh. Would that have got you at break even? That pushed back down?
No. I entered at 44.75. This trading game is real fun. Like when I entered, it doesn't look too choppy, right? It's just
I mean, ES is dumping.
a push up. I mean, I guess it's kind of a chop, but it's like just some sort of thing, and then the fake out, and then the dump out. That's what I always look for. And then we just. Honestly, I don't know if that would have got me out.
It wasn't gonna hit your stop loss yet.
I mean, it went over, but my thing was over by a little bit. I just don't know how much.
Nope, head is getting in short.
I was gonna say, I might try it again.
Order filled.
From 350. So it makes me feel better because ES is also dumping. Nvidia rolling over, breaking back through the VWAP and the EMA. ES down by the 15-minute low. I like this. So 1 minute supply holding so much. ES trying to get out of that 15-minute opening range.
Starting to push down. The ES breaks this low, it would be really good. Yes, it's just fucking
Stop
straight falling
filled.
through.
Okay, I'm done. I don't trust it. This market's too bad. What is that, 34.50 or something? I hate this market.
Like pushes through, breaks the bottom, and then pulls all the way back to EMA.
I mean, I'm out, but, you know.
I know. Just saying.
As of now, I hit the bottom, but we'll see. I don't know if we're going to break lows or not, so I was like, having my thing at the very low might be a little ambitious. I'm just going to... So I got like...
ES broke a low, so I thought,
Yeah.
I think you may follow, so I thought you were gonna go for more, but
I've seen it too much recently. Well, clearly I didn't do a good job of keeping my losers smaller than my winners, but I'm still red.
yeah, but minimize loss.
Yeah, minimized the loss and took a scalpy win. I'm so sad. I'm gonna be sad somewhere else. Goodbye. Goodbye, Raven. Nice, well managed. I mean, I get. Does that just mean I shouldn't have got in though? I don't know.
Yep.
Clearly, I was wrong.
I mean, you got in at a good time. I got out at a good time too.
Yeah, I mean, I basically grabbed the ball. I just didn't know if we were gonna break through or not. So, how you doing today, NQ Sniper? I'm doing all right. I don't know. I'm not loving whatever that was, but with me, friend. Well, if you were holding to the pivot point, Johnny, you'd still be holding.
Right.
So we'd never hit it. Like, I should just get in long here, because that's gotta be the trap, no? Like, this must be the trap. We consolidate, we trap lower. And then we rip higher. You have to think, we're going up. Wait for a pullback. Yeah, no, I'm not getting in, but I want to get in. My intuition tells me I should just get in. But what is my intuition now? Like, if this has a pullback, it'll be like a 2-candle pullback. It's not going to be a big, like, whoop. I feel like a lot of times after we reverse and rip, we only have, like, the tiniest bull flag.
Bounce back off the EMA or something.
I don't even think we will. It's going to be, like, 1 or 2 candles. That's my guess. We'll have, like, this one and, like, maybe one more that doesn't break that. Or, like, I don't know. We'll see. Just a teenage dirtbag baby. That's EMA. I didn't even think we were going to. We'll see. Yeah, Nvidia is now like cleanly above the ES and the EMA and the VWAP. The ES is back into the 15-minute range, trying to break out, but we'll see. I just think this candle, the next candle just rips the high. We at least, get up to like the VWAP.
Seems like you guessed the bottom really good. If this does flip.
Yeah. I just think we're gonna go right here. Like a little tiny pullback. This would be one where I'm like, oh, I want it to go long, but I want to wait for the like a flag. But I feel like it never gives you it on the initial push up. It just rips.
No, you did guess it pretty much 2 candles. I mean, it flipped the second one a little bit, but
Yeah, and I think we run through on this candle right here. Let's see. Just
you
feel
just
like
gotta push above the EMA again.
I just feel like very rarely the first push
And,
up gives you a nice flag to get in on.
You have to break
After a
above the
reversal.
3-minute EMA. It's the 5-minute. 5 minutes up at the 68s.
Well, I was wrong. We didn't go this candle. Maybe not. Maybe we just continue to chop. I really thought that would be the trap and the go.
I mean, still can. The 3-minute, the candle hasn't even closed yet. It's still like just bouncing off the EMA.
Yeah, 17 seconds. God, we love this friggin'
This
like
range.
50 area here. And now it's weird now, like the NQ looks more bullish than ES. Before it was the other way.
Yes. It's breaking the.
Yeah, it's trying right now. Nvidia rolled back
Trying
over. NQ still looks like it wants to go long, but I would not trust it at all. Alright, peace out, Joe. I might be calling it here soon. I don't know.
Yes, it's breaking the low.
Yep.
He was trying to still push up. I don't know. Everything's so different right now.
Nvidia broke back below the fucking VWAP and the EMA, ES breaking lows, NQ right in the middle of this range still. God, it just doesn't look like there's much opportunity to make money in this market. Like, where did people? I mean, even if you were one of the people who fucking buys and sells right at open, say you sold right when market opened, Yeah, unless you're sitting in this for I don't know how long, but what if you have stops at the high or something? I
NQ
don't
literally
fucking
looks like
know.
it wants to break out, and ES is making new lows.
Yeah, I don't know. But Nvidia's flash dumping as well. Yeah, look at thank you. What's a like that's like a good bull flag. If we were a nice trap below and the same candle fucking rips back up. If ES wasn't fucking hitting new lows and Nvidia dumping right now, I would really be wanting to get in, but oh, FFs, how we doing? Let's see, no trade for you today? Just in the 15-minute range most of the day? Or did you get in on this? Or no, because you need a close out of here. Jesus, ES is falling. Well, I guess NQ took out its
There's a lot of
morning.
there's a lot of levels ES can bounce off though. Maybe that's what's holding up NQ.
Yeah, and this is like the trap to go along. Yeah, short at 955, got 19 points. 955. Ooh, I was gonna short this candle. I was looking at this candle. I was shorting 954. Doesn't seem like a textbook you like setup. I feel like you normally wait for like a close outside of the range and then a go, but good work. Bro, I have gotten my payout since Friday. These motherfuckers take too long. Oh, you haven't gotten your payout since Friday. Dude, it's been fucking 2 business days. As long as you get it, I don't care when the fuck. I didn't even check my bank account when the fucking like I wasn't checking my bank account every day. I was just like, oh, I bet my Apex is like payout is here now, and then I look and I'm like, oh, nice, I got like a fucking 30K in like a 30, or I think my big payout was like, well, it was like 60K in total, but it was like in chunks, and I think my biggest chunk was like a $25,000 chunk. I'm like, oh. I wonder if you're right, Johnny. I wonder if that's like the rest of the trap.
I mean, NQ finally broke above that 60 level. Unless this is the trap, like I don't know. I feel like we gotta push up here.
I don't know. Yes, and Nvidia just like bearish.
Maybe not. Maybe that was the trap. It's just trapping tops and trapping bottoms. Yeah, but you probably would have been at break even though.
You check your bank account as soon as you request.
Yeah, but most prop firms don't even give it to you until like fucking 5 days.
iPhone Futures is also good about that. It's like, oh, you request. Oh, you've been approved. Oh, the money's been sent to your Rise account. Then you go to your Rise account and they're like, okay, transfer right over. Like you get it the same day. Alright, yeah, this is just fucking, this is terrible. Like, where did people make money today? It's like this short? Was this the only place people made money today? I don't know. Somehow people will have caught this move. Like, I don't know how to capitalize on like one candle pull. I feel like so many people catch like moves like this. I don't know how people capitalize on this. Like one candle pullbacks, I will never enter it like a short on. If it like, or a long, depending on like whatever way it's going. But like this, we're just pushing down one candle push up. I just can't assume we're gonna fucking flush it. But somehow people do. But alrighty,
Is this gonna be the push up long?
Nah, this is fucking chopped. Everything's fucking chopped.
Oh, I rejected. Hard.
Alrighty, I'm out of here. Peace out, people.
Oh, no steak.
Oh.